See ya.
Mike Wang, can't wait to meet you. Mike Wang, can't wait to see you. Mike Wang, can't wait to meet you. Fuck the game up once or twice. Had my turn, thought about it. Then I said I gotta go pull up on Mike Wang. Fuck nigga. When I catch him, Mr. Stick Up. Hope he got cool. Roddy is Trump.
Fuck the game up. My niggas can't shoot no more. We are back on the screen. Drop a like, don't waste no time. Let's get into why Mike Wang is frustrated with Zens in NBA 2K24 and why everybody else is. And it got to the point to where everybody else just got transmuted. If you know what transmuted means, everybody just said, you know what, we're gonna get Zens. We want to win. 2K changed the shooting up. We don't like that. We should just be able to green if we're wide open. This is where this logic comes into, where they just feel like, hey, if they could dribble, they're good, and they can use a Zen and cheat, and you know, it doesn't mean anything, and they can still talk trash to you on the mic. Isn't that crazy? Now, let's watch this. This is OFab. He dropped some gameplay of this guy using a Zen. Now, when we talk about people using Zens, 9 times out of the 10, how you spot a Zen is just the confidence of a shooter. I'm not saying some people won't shoot these shots, but you're only going to see high-class players shooting these certain types of shots where they're just catching and 2 guys look like they're closing out on them. Especially if you see beforehand in the game, it's like, oh, you're playing against some comp and, okay, these guys are a little sweaty. Unless you're super locked in, you're not going to be just pulling like this. But when you have a Zen, all that fear and all that kind of just second guessing, it's not even a bad fear. Sometimes you got to have a good sense of fear there so you're not just chucking up anything. But all that goes away, and these random guys get to feel like Superman on the court and just pull. So he pulls his first fast one, and what's crazy is that he was running straight towards him, and these Zen scripts are retarded. It makes him like auto contest away from him. So here's what I wanted to talk to you guys about, like with 2K. Just listen to me for a second right here. Their Zens, right? I mean, their game, right? They changed. You see how he got that auto contest? They changed the way, like, when a person does hit the green window. And think about it, his Zen is allowing him to do that. But when he does hit the exact green window, it'll make you get an auto contest. Why? Because he hit the green window faster. What else does that mean, OG? This is a game. It's based off animations and timers. Like, everything's on timers. Think about it. When you time a block, that has to sync up in the game code and somehow, like, oh, you timed it perfectly on the timing, or you met the timing requirements. Think about it. So it's the same thing with shooting. So you're going to start getting auto contests too, random crazy auto contests where it felt like, damn, you didn't even get time to contest, or you didn't even feel like you was able to do anything. It just made you auto contest. Why? Because he hit the green window faster than you was able to even press triangle. Boom, he did it right there. He shot that so quick. You don't have time to react to that. Bang. That was his first one. He was like, whoa, looking at it like, okay. And O'Rican, right? He's going 1 for 1. Now, if you look at NBA basketball, players be going 9 for 20 from the field and then turn up at the end of the game like star players. So it's like, I don't get why people are mad in 2K. I don't understand it. People need to just accept, like, it's basketball, accept that players are good, but there's this concept of players being trash, players being good. It's one side. It's so bad. It's like, I don't know. Let's get into it. Let's go. Now, he's playing, and it's like, okay, you could tell these other guys too, they're sweaties. It's another way that I always tell people to look at as well. Look, they're playing the passing lanes. Man, I hear there's Zens for everything, stealing every single thing, and it's crazy. It's like, this is what's really killing 2K. People will say that, oh, it's the patches, it's this and that, but we got to understand where the patch is coming from. It's because of this stuff. They can't patch this type of things, the Zens, all the little glitches that you see a lot of the top players do. So 2K's having to do a rebuilding to their game. This is what we're all watching right now. This is what I'm trying to explain to everybody. I'm trying to build a community. So we're all set. We know what's going on, and we can cause some influence as well to the devs. Because it's just at this point where it's like they're trying to keep it a secret. Your events can't even be played properly, and you can't even have where it's like the average viewer who picks up the game to say, hey, I want to go play the park, have a chance to win. You understand? I get it that how you guys would think sweaties will always win these events, but it's 9 times out of 10 most of the sweaties are cheating. They're cheating. I think if it's really going on average and it's like, okay, everybody can play without cheats, you're going to see some random guys pop up and get some W's at sometimes. The sweaties literally come down and get these last minute wins because they're cheating. Literally. It's that bad. So we see him, he gives the ball up. He gives the ball up again. He tips it. Hold up. He catches it. They give it back to Orikin. Yeah. He has the Zen. It's clear. Bang! Whoa. 20% coverage. Now, let's talk about this. 20% coverage. He catches it. He's on his side. He pulls, but listen, this is where we know he has the Zen. I would have said it's all cool if he had got a straight shot animation, but he did not get that. Look what happens. He gets listen. Whoever passed him the ball doesn't have good passing accuracy, so it gives him a bad animated passes. I tell everybody, when you're playing 2K, watch out for this. This is why they say you got to look at your player. You see how when he catches the ball, watch when he catches the ball, it's like he does a little second, like don't you know how you break the car real hard and the car breaks and then you guys fly up forward a little bit? Look, he does that when he catches the ball. Watch. You see how when he does that little stutter? That's the best word for it, a stutter. They catch the ball, he does a little stutter before he shoots. You see how he did that little stutter when the ball was like right here? Let me see if I can get it right at the dot. Right here. When the ball's right here at his belly, he does a little stutter. 9 times out of 10, when you shoot fast off of that in 2K, you're going to miss. 9 times out of 10, he got that animation because the player who passed him the ball was across court. It's a bad pass animation because he just doesn't have the passing accuracy to make it be a smoother pass. No dimer there, so you're going to get animations, right? He makes the shot still contested. That's how you know it's a Zen. Look, he's in his face. He reaches. So I would say maybe guard up, but then it's like, nah. This is still registering off to 2K as a contest, right? Because he gets the 20% coverage. Excellent timing. People say, are Zens real? Bro, trust me. I play without a Zen. Yes, you can hit some crazy peaks at times. Some crazy ass shots. That does not mean players do not use Zens. Understand, Zens is for consistency. It has nothing to do with just, it's for more consistency. They want consistency. They know they're going to still be able to miss with the Zen. They know that they could probably shoot without a Zen, but they just don't like the fact of that timing changing up, and then they miss certain shots to lose certain games. You understand? Boom, they got the crazy contest on him. They not letting him shoot nothing. Okay, he got one. Let's see what Ulriken does again. People are asking, is this really real? Yes, it is, man. It's an underground hideout thing right now. There's Discords with 5,000 people in it. 5,000 people. You think 5,000 people are going to join a Discord for something that doesn't work? Make it make sense. Nobody wants to make it make sense. You have some Zen users that come and comment on my thing and be like, Zens don't work, because they don't want it to be patched. They trying to think it's a secret. It's not hidden. The devs know you guys are using this. Bang! Oh my god. The devs know you guys are using this. They can't patch it without messing up their game. It's clear as day. When you just be simple about things, everybody thinks we always need answers or straight answers from the devs. We don't. It's clear as day. They can't patch this because, one, the Zens, there's some type of law to where they can't ban it, or they don't have a certain technology to read it in their system and ban it. They don't. It's clear as day. Or they would have had it by now. Make it make sense. It's so simple. It's so simple. The Zens would have been gone by now if they had a technology that can really detect it and block it away. They can't. And the devs right now, this is probably what they're doing, sitting back trying to code against it. But it's like, yo, think about it. Who made the Zen actual device, the technology itself, that gets sold at GameStop? Make it make sense. It gets sold at GameStop. Are we serious? Once I seen that, I'm like, damn, it's over with. They can't do nothing about this thing because there's probably more legal issues and more legal things to it. And then I was like, you know what? No, it's probably not even that. They probably just haven't been able to create a technology to even go against it and stop it. It is legal issues too, because they can't sue the Zen companies. It's messing up your game. It is. You got people that's winning these tournaments by using a Zen. Getting top 5, getting top 20 by using a Zen. So it's messing up your game flow and having other people win, and it's messing up a lot. Let's not make it, it's messing up the stage. The stage is infested with these guys. So people can't even go to just be competitive and, oh yeah, let's go pay for VC how it used to be in 17, when you can really just clearly spot out a Zen user. It was so easy in 17. So you could just walk away, leave away from that guy, not play him, and you can tell who was really not cheating. Clearly a Zen. Pump fakes. What makes it a Zen is this guy's on the side. The pump fake and this guy leaves away is cool, but the guys on the side of him, nah. Clearly a Zen. The confidence is just out of this world. They're only passing it to him. It's clear as day. clear as day, and it looks like he's playing with hella lockdowns. When you look at the court and you look at all the guys in the white, it's like a full lockdown team. How is this a fun game for people? This is why I play IRL basketball playstyle. I can play with randoms. I'll just play with park randoms at times because you'll get more of a natural feel and experience of 2K. Oh my god! Yo, you go and enter the park in the comp community. I still like playing sweat balls, don't get me wrong. I played against a Zen and the videos on my channel and I stopped him. Don't get me wrong, you just have to go jump in the windows before he shoots. These guys are not jumping, they're just playing regular comp D where you can just go and walk in somebody's face and put their hand up, and if they didn't have a Zen, they will miss. They're playing regular comp D. No, when you play a Zen, you have to jump in the window. That's the only other way to make these guys miss. And I already made that. I'm gonna make another video. I gotta keep making these videos so people can really understand. You can stop the Zens just a little bit. You can make it hard for them, and then we're gonna just make it more of like, you know, when we used to do that back in 17, they just used to disappear. The cheaters. I don't know, like, people don't, everybody's doing it now type time. It's weird. How is this a fun game when there's like, yo, okay, I'm on my lock. This guy, you can tell he has high still. Like, how? Anybody that wants to compete just has to play the same exact way against you. This is a clear contest. That's perfect. He even gets that crazy green animation where it's like if they did late contest a little bit, you'll get it, but 71% contested. 71% contested. This is the Mondo Zen. He's using the Mondo Zen. Look at the confidence, y'all. Y'all think this is not a Zen now? Y'all sure? He keeps getting the little catch animation because it's bad passes and he's trying to shoot it so fast, and you can tell he's shooting it fast because he has a Zen. I'm glad people record this and post it. It just makes it more to where the devs are going to have to do something. I'm telling you, or we're just going to make the game look bad. Either way, it's bad for them. It's bad promotion. It's bad promo. Us posting Zens and getting a lot of views on these videos are not good for them. You understand? This is why I do it. And it's not like it's not good for them, like their game's going to get destroyed. No. It just doesn't put a good image on them, and they have to work harder. They have to say, you know what, we have to do this. We have to get this out of our game. We got to do something. And then at that point, I won't have to post Zen videos. You guys could go look at my content. I just haven't just sat and post Zen videos, but no, it's like, yo, you guys are ruining the regular 2K experience. I can't even look like a good shooter no more. I'm a super great shooter, like a really great one, but I can't even look like that no more because everybody uses Zens. A lot of people use Zens. Who cares when people are using Zens? Come on, look at this, man. Who cares when people can do this? You know what I mean? And majority of the community is doing this. Who cares? People can turn it off and turn it on at will. People do that too just so they can look like their butt, and then they can still get like some praise, like, okay, he can turn up here at this point in time and just create entertainment. You see what I'm saying, man? It's community is crazy. That's what's down bad to me, not this game. I really like this game. I feel like that's even why the dribble moves is slower. There's dribbling Zens. I'm going to make I have my next video coming on it. It's a Zen for dribble moves. I was like, oh my god, no. This is why they got to slow their game down, slow the pace down. Players was cheating for a minute, man. Everything is just coming to the light, y'all. That's just the thing. Everything is coming to the light. Did he make another one? Everything is coming to the light, fellas. Wow, they all got Zens. This is bad, bro. A whole full team. Oh man, this is crazy. This is the true problem, y'all. Once again, y'all gonna click off this. Y'all gonna watch this video, not spam the likes, and y'all need to. I'm hoping I'm doing some reverse jinxing, but y'all gonna not pay attention to this shit. And this is the true key problem. They cannot stop this because the legal issues is not just the thing. So many people are doing it. It's deeper than what we thinking. But this is a problem. It's just coming to the light now because people want to make money off of it and get TikTok videos and get hella views, because you could get 500,000 views. You make a little good Zen video. You know what I mean? A good TikTok short, and get a lot of people seeing you. So people just care about the numbers, causing people to tell on themselves. This is why we understand that these things exist, but they've been heavy. And all the other 2Ks too, 22, all the ones, 21, people had their ways of getting scripts and being able to use this and go crazy and hide it. People, and this is why you see people complain about, oh, the gameplay is bad, because they're not getting the real feel of the gameplay. Oh, they're cheating. So it's just so easy for them, it becomes boring. You see what I'm saying? And this is why they only rely on the cosmetics, the items, the stuff that'll make you, it'll stimulate your brain for a little bit to look good, or you dress yourself up. Like, you know, it's not working no more. It's outdated. We need the game to get back to its restructure, back to normal, where